Everyone. This video is walk you guys through how to use Canvas this week and how to get started in the course. So you guys came in here on the home page. It's going to look a little bit different. I'm going to switch to the student view for just a second, but it will look more like this for you guys. It will also have an announcements tab once I have the first announcement live. But when you come in, you guys will see that you will have quick links here, which will take you directly to the course modules or the syllabus or the how to use Canvas video. The same thing as the menu on the left. So you can always navigate here on the left. So you click into the modules. That's where you guys will be spending your time in the course. I'm going to leave this view because it's grayed out right now since it's not live. But when you come in, you guys will basically follow the instructions, which will be in the modules. You have access to all of the weekly modules at once. Everything is due on Sunday night at 11:59 p.m. of each week. You guys can work ahead if you want to. Like I said, you have access to all of the modules. But basically, you'll just work top to bottom, follow the instructions, which are in all caps, and then everything as you go down the page will kind of build on itself. So in this case, you guys have the welcome video, which you've already watched, and this week one overview video that I'm working on right now is going to go right here. You'll see the rest of the weekly overviews do not have videos. It's just a list of what the assignments are for that week. Nothing in here is clickable. You can't do anything on this. It's just to help get you guys started for the week. I will also send you a reminder every Monday morning via email and Canvas what their weekly assignments are, and I'll post it to the announcements tab as well. You guys can navigate in Canvas down the modules like this, or like you saw here, you guys can just click into the next tab and it will take you to the next assignment. But basically what you're going to do when you come into the modules is this week you will follow the instructions. So as you click into these, you'll see the different symbols mean different things. If you guys aren't familiar with Canvas, that video is here. At the top there are some resources for you. So the syllabus and the course calendar can always be found here. You can also find this video here, which is the Canvas 101 or how to use Canvas for this course if you're not familiar. And then I also have a document here that's the basics. So this would be really just the basics of writing at the college level. So it's a really helpful resource if you are wondering how to use a semicolon correctly, or what a certain part of speech is, or how you have to capitalize certain things, how to not you have a comma splice or a run-on or a fragment. So all of that is in here. I recommend downloading it and keeping it. It's really helpful. It even includes recommendations on, writing styles and organizing your content, MLA formatting requirements, everything else is in here. So it also has a bunch of resources at the end, which are really helpful. So there's a video that goes with that if you want to reference that. And then there is also this MLA guidelines. So you guys will be writing an MLA in this course, as you'll come to see. So there's guidelines here, there's a video here, but all of that is resources available for you guys at the top of the modules page. But as you come into week one, like I said, just work down the page, follow the instructions. So you're going to watch my video introduction here, and then you'll do a discussion board where you guys will introduce yourself. I know this in another video, but you don't have to respond to other students unless the prompt specifically states it for a discussion board. So in this case, it does. You do need to respond to a classmate. But you'll hit reply. You hit reply, you'll type your reply, and then you'll basically hit reply here, and that's all you have to do. So that's your self-introduction. And then you will move into the syllabus and course calendar. You'll see there is the information for you here along with the video explanation, and once you're done with that, you'll go into the quiz. Now, for all quizzes, you have as much time as you need. Normally, you only have one attempt, meaning you can't save it and return to it later, and you can't take it again. In this case, just for the syllabus quiz, you do get to have 2 attempts. But the quizzes are never more than 10 questions. It will look different from the student view. It will just say something like begin or start. It's just not live yet, so I can't show you that. But once you're done with that, you'll come back and you will move on to the first major writing assignment. This is a very short course. We're going to move very quickly. So within each writing assignment, you'll see there's typically the biography section, the assignment itself, and the lecture, and then whatever graded assignment goes with that. So in this case, it's a quiz. So you'll simply, like I said, work through the modules. So you'll come into the biography. Sometimes it's a written biography. Sometimes it's a video. You do not need to read it in depth. It's just there for context, so you can give it a quick skim or a quick listen. And then you'll come into the reading assignment. Now, you will see that I've given you a couple of different things here. The 8th edition for teaching is what I was given when I was creating these lectures. So the page numbers referenced are from the 8th edition. There has since been a 9th and now a 10th edition. I unfortunately don't have access to the 10th edition, so I can't give you the page numbers for that. But I have gone ahead and included the PDF version of all of the texts in this course because it is very short, and I understand textbooks are expensive. So it's up to you if you want to buy the book. If you want to pause the lectures to find the correct page numbers in that book, that's fine. But otherwise, no, it is here available for you. And then there's always some kind of lecture. Sometimes it's video, sometimes it's presentation. But that's always associated with the reading assignment. And then in this case, you guys will come back and you will take the quiz that's associated with Whitman. And then, like I say, you can continue on to the second week or the third week, however fast you work, or you can begin again the next Monday. But again, all weekly assignments are due on Sunday of that week at 11:59 p.m. And you guys can work ahead if you want. If you need to email me, please use the Canvas email functionality. I will check that every day and respond within 24 hours. And otherwise, that should be how you get started for week 1. So let me know you guys have questions, but otherwise go ahead and move on to the introductions. Thanks.